My name is Antoine and I'm a retail team member here at the Exploratorium. Today I'm going to talk to you about an awesome robot called the Kiko 893. I just got done building it and it was so much fun. Very complex but very easy to understand if you actually follow the instructions step by step. You have AI and infrared technology inside. With the advanced technology, it can explore on its own or even follow you around. So this robot has two modes, Funway 1, which they also call Follow Me mode, and Funway 2, which is Explore mode. You can create challenging mazes with the Kiko robot to navigate around, or just select Follow Me mode and enjoy having the adorable robot pursue you. So if you're interested in this robot, you can find it at the Exploratorium store located at Pier 15 right along the Embarcadero. It retails for only $44, or you can definitely find it on our website at exploratoriumstore.com. It's time for me and the robot to go now, but we hope to see you here at the Exploratorium store. Bye-bye now.